and Surds, so which is of unit 10, grade 10, right? So how do we simplify a Surds, right? So what we've been given is that we've been given the same order Surds, but the Radicands are different, right? So what we need to always remember is that when we are subtracting or adding, the Radicand and the order should be same, right? Whereas in this case, only the Radicand is same, right? Even in this case, only the order is same, the Radicand is different, right? So we need to make the Radicand similar, okay? So how do we do that? Basically, so what will be your LCM of 125? Will basically be 525, right? And then 5 5s, right? So your coefficient will be 5, and then you'll have an order of 2, and then your Radicand will be 5 plus under root 5 minus what will be the LCM of 45? 45, right? So you could do 3 1 ja, right? And then 3 5 ja 15, and then 3 5 ja 15, right? So 3 under root 5. 3 under root 5. So when you add these things together, so 5 plus 1 plus 3 minus 3, and then under root 5, right? So 6 minus 3, 3 under root 5. So this will be the answer, okay? So that's how you solve it. First of all, take the LCM and then make the Radicand same. If the order is different, take the LCM and then make the order same. But in this case, what we've been given is that the order is already same, so just need to find out the Radicand and then do your operations, okay? So that's how we basically do this kind of problem. So again, there is another kind of problem which is basically this short, right? So what we've been given is that the Radicand is 18, right? So let's take a LCM of Radicand. So 18, right? 3 6 3 2 right? So what will happen is that our Radicand will be 2 in this case, okay? So 3 under root 2. Okay, so that will be our Radicand. And then 20, right? So let's take a LCM of 20, 2 10, 2 5, right? So that means our 2 will be going outside, right? So 3 is already the coefficient, so 2 will be multiplied, right? And then within the bracket there will be 5 plus 4 under root 5. Okay, so that is our 2, and then 3 under root 2 minus 3 to the 6 under root 5 plus 4 under root 5, right? So what do we do now? See, the Radicand is different. So what we do now is that we only, remember always the rule is that if the Radicand is same, then only we can add them or subtract them, right? So since the Radicand is different for the first one, so we won't touch it. Just leave it as it is and then subtract this minus. This will be minus, okay? Under root 5, right? So 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 5, okay? Right? That's how we basically do it, okay? So I'm just checking that again. So if the Radicand is same, then only I have just added the Radicand whichever are same and the order should be same. But in this case, the Radicand is 2. So I have not added it. I have kept it at the side, okay? So this is how we basically solve this kind of problem when you're simplifying the Radicand, okay? Radicand, or you can say a surd in general terms. So after this, what we will be covering about this, we will be looking at multiplication and division of surd, okay? So what should happen? What are the conditions? Remember, I told you already. So yeah, if you know that, please do comment down below. And if you have any questions regarding this particular question, please do comment down below. I'll definitely answer it for you. Until next time, bye bye.